Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Store infinite loading screen on Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Second method is change date and time settings to automatically. Third method is reset Microsoft Store. Fourth method is type services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Microsoft Store install service, change startup type to automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Run, type %local app data %. Open Packages, open Microsoft Windows Store, rename local state to localstate.old. Sixth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.